liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, welcome to the eye makeup for a glamorous St. Patrick's Day or spring garden party look. So I wanted to showcase how easy it is to create a super glamorous St. Patrick's Day or just really great green look. So I love the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH. So I actually used two green colors in here, and then one of my favorite e.l.f. palettes is this Gem Pop or Jewel Pop right here. I'm just using this green color, super easy. And then of course the other two Glam Glam will be the NYX right here for the little glitter. So this is all over the counter, super inexpensive, and really fabulous. So let's roll out with the video to see how easy this look is. Alright, I absolutely love when I have one dramatic eye and one plain eye. So here we go with that palette that I absolutely love. So this really great kind of neon yellow, kind of grassy green looks so good. So I'm basically just covering almost my entire eyelid, making that bottom pop, of course. Just covering it with that's actually a Morphe brush, and of course going under. I'll be literally doing this back and forth. You cannot go wrong with it. So that's actually a Sigma brush right there. Any brush will do, including my favorite e.l.f. C brush, but here I'm just cutting in that crease right there. Just getting in there. You definitely want something with a little bit more of a precise bristle if you have one. So just going back and forth and just literally just drenching that corner. And of course just kind of spreading it out and going with the underneath right here. Really love it. And of course dragging all the way in, but of course not really too much because the glitter will be covering it, but I do definitely want to kind of smoke it all the way in. And of course getting that little bit of that V right there, can't go wrong. Now I'll be taking another Morphe brush, of course a blending brush. You can never go wrong with blending, blending, blending. I'll be doing this back and forth with both the greens. Here we go. I really want that green to pop, so I just love it so much. And of course, making sure underneath that eye makes it pop so good. And then of course, just going back over again just to make it dramatic, yet precise, of course. So just going back and forth. Good exercise right here, blending, right? What do you guys think about that? So can't get enough of the greens. So now I'm using that minty green right there and using right in the middle of the eye, just a little bit of a different kind of pop right there. Now it's the gold. My most favorite thing ever is adding glitter. So using the glitter primer right there, I first go with the main heavier glitter, the gold right there, and you know, just kind of like popping it in there, little drag, but more of just a pressing it in. And then the real key is that pigment right there, because that really, really makes it pop, as you can see right there. So I really feel a really great combo for both of them. Now, of course, this is actually my favorite liquid eyeliner. I love it by Essence. It's $3.99. It's waterproof. It's easy. I really love it. I use it every single day. I feel it is very black and easy to use with its kind of angled tipped brush right there. Just going over with my usual eyeliner. Now I do have, that's actually from NYX right there. That's just a green eyeliner. I think it's the Glide. Of course, mascara. I love using the super sizer. It's my favorite. Eyelashes are life for me. So definitely using that. I'll leave all the products down below with links that I use that I absolutely love. My favorite eyelash glue is amazing. It's like $5 from Amazon. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this look so very much. Now this green right here, I only have a couple green Lippies. So this is actually from Wet n Wild right here. It's called Emerald Envy. And then so then of course I was like, you know, I needed like a little pop of gold. I really wasn't sure which one I was gonna choose. So in the next clip, you'll see I have the Essence and the Wet n Wild. I decided to choose the Wet n Wild. I believe it's called Gemini. It's part of that Zodiac collection. I really love it. I so appreciate each and every single one of you. I honestly do. I love all your comments. I love all the empowerment and the positiveness that all of you bring to my channel, and I really appreciate you. And I give hugs and love to everyone. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.